Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to design this wedge shape. To design this wedge shape, we have to use a loft command. So here I created this part by using two loft sections. First part I created this completely, and second I have created this part and we have combined into one single part body. Let's see how to design this part. Let's start this project. So first we'll go to Sketch tab and then we'll take a sketch option from here and we'll select the front plane. I will show the front plane, so while taking another plane I can see that plane. So I'm making one circle of diameter 41. OK and exit. Now for creating a second plane we have to go to Features, Reference Geometry, Plane option. So here I'll select front plane and will specify the distance value to 20 and OK. We'll select the plane 1, click Sketch and create a circle of 42 diameter. And then exit. Now we'll take one more plane from the plane 1 and specify the distance, that is 12. OK. Now we'll select this plane, sketch, and we'll create a circle of diameter 26. Exit. Now we'll take one more plane from the plane 2, that is 13 distance, and OK. We'll select the plane 3rd and click sketch. Now here I'm going to create a rectangle. We'll create a perfect square while making both sides to be equal to each other. We'll apply the equal relation. Now we'll specify the square distance 30 and exit. Now we'll create one more plane from reference geometry, plane, select the plane number 3 at the distance of 220 and OK. Now we'll select this plane 4, sketch, and we'll create the next cross section is a rectangle which in width 0.25 and this length will be 75. Now we'll exit the sketch. We can hide these multiple planes by selecting them and right click and we can say hide. We'll hide the front plane as well. Now we'll go to the loft boss command. So here first we'll make rectangle to be one body. So here sometime while lofting it will be get twisted. So by moving the points we can adjust it and we'll correct the shape. I'll do OK here. Now I'll go to loft again the circle portions 1, 2 and 3. Now I have to join this part also. We can select this face also here, and by lofting we can. Okay, now one problem, we have lofted it, but I want to be maintain here tangency also. So in that cases we can remove this face from here and do OK. So in this case what we can do, we can make this into 3 loft. So we can use faces loft here. We'll go to lofted boss and we'll select this face and this face. So why I did this? So I can get more option here. So we can define a tangency with and start faces. So I'll be maintain a better smoothness here with both sides. Do OK. So this is how we have completed this wedge shape project. Now let's see all the 4 views of this part. So we'll go to view selector box and we'll take here 4 views. So here we can see the front, top, trimetric view and the left view. Let's again go to a single view. Now I want to apply some appearance on this model. We'll go to edit appearance. So here we'll select some material. Let me take a manganese and I'm taking here brushed manganese. So we can see this part material appearance is applied and do OK. So this is how we have completed the wedge shape project.